So, hi, a very good morning. A quick share before I get into the medicine's modern stuff and keeping silent for a few hours. So, this is Jasleen Gamani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. A quick cheers, firstly, on Ji Hazur Va Taj Boliye, the classic Taj Mahal branding. Thank you so much for all your videos and your shares on Taj Mahal and the profile pictures of Taj. So now the day starts on a nice cup of chai and stuff, and I'm in one of the private spaces of mine. And like me, many of you start your days with probably having your chai, coffee, and your breakfasts and stuff. If you've got your own apartment and your own space, you're in the same kitchen perpetually every day. And when the weather is not that great and the sun is yet to be out and stuff, once in a while, I don't use the word bored, but you could do with a change in your kitchen. The same wardrobe, the same fittings, the same drawers, the same cutlery, the same display and everything. So when you're doing your kitchen, where you spend a lot of your time, creatively or, thinking about what could be the recipe for the day, the night, and for your guests and for yourself and your family, your children, your pets, and stuff. You spend a lot of your time in a kitchen, which is, if you're lucky enough, designed by you, and you're the brainwave behind it, or yeah, if you've shifted into an apartment, it's already done for you, so there's no room for any change or any scope for change, or you break down the kitchen and redo it and stuff, okay? So now the point is not about architecture, the point is about little changes to give you that uplift. uh, People like me sometimes can get a little bored. Bored is the word, okay? Literally speaking, bored is the word. The same kitchen, the same drawers, the same look, the same everything. Now what do we do? So it's not like you can change the whole kitchen. Kitchen ऐसा area तो नहीं है that you can just kind of break it off and you know um, redo it every 6 months or 7 months and stuff. So little changes. So start with the little changes. So today, what I thought of is that you have all these bottles in your kitchen. So you'll have mayonnaise, or you'll have, let's say, cheese, or you'll have honey, or you'll have sauces, or you'll have fish pickle, or you'll have chicken pickle, or you'll have meat pickle, or you'll have, let's say, jam, or you'll have mustard sauce, or you'll have whatever. So many things. You'll have your bottles of. What do you call Cerelac, and you'll have lots and lots of bottles with probably spices also and other things. So now what do we do? Yeah, normally what do we do? We see the bottles are either displayed in racks, or they're ideally displayed in windows, on window displays and stuff, or they are put in cupboards, or they are in racks, or they are put inside drawers and stuff. But have you ever thought of it this way, that when you open up a drawer, and in a drawer where you have the cutlery placed, or where you have your your spoons and your forks and knives placed, you have a shelf, right, with a compartment in it. So you have compartmentalized that. You could also compartmentalize that area, and you can place bottles in that. So today, when you venture out and you go into the market and stuff, try and do this kind of a little thing. Research the market, or when you're sitting on social media, passing your time, or you're reading a magazine or something, try and get into this kind of a area of interest and stuff, and try and see little ideas where you can actually make little changes, which will also have a little positive impact also on your family. A person like a cook who comes in every morning, or a cleaner, will also find a little change interesting for her and stuff, because she also comes every morning from different houses to kind of do the stuff in your house and organize all of it and go back, right? So I open a drawer, and in my drawer I've got my cutlery now. So when I every day for the last so many years, I'm used to this, right? So it's a modular kitchen here, So now when I open the drawer, I know what's where. I know because I'm in my head, in my space, I'm very organized about things. But then there's chaos sometimes, like there's a party happening, or there's a Christmas evening going to happen, or there's a Diwali night that's just happened and stuff. Or we are in a rush space, or we are like kind of going out in and out of home and office and stuff. So, one tends to kind of miss out on looking at these things of cleanliness and stuff and all. So if you have two drawers, so one drawer can be given to your cutlery. The second drawer can be given to your bottles. So one you have this vertical, racks where you have your bottles placed. So a modular kitchen will have something where you just pull out the cupboard and your bottles come out on a rack and stuff. And the other thing is for people who are not able to bend, or you have elders or seniors or children or older people, or even for yourself and stuff, you can always have cupboards where you just lay the this compartmentalized tray within your drawer, and you place those bottles, the small bottles. I don't have a bottle here. Okay, so I've got a bottle. I don't have a. Sorry, this was an unplanned one. I've got a bottle of a room freshener here. So half the size of a bottle, I place it like this inside my drawer, and as the drawer opens and it comes out, my arrangement also kind of starts moving along with that, and I have something new happening in my kitchen, right? So hope this helps you. So think about these little ideas. One change a day can actually make everything look so nice and stuff. So just a little change can help. And जी हजूर बात आज बोलिए. ये है वो ताज महल चाय का cup. Yeah, this is amazing chai. Posture add some ginger to it. Add some spices to it. And what I do is, like I said, dalchini. That's dalchini. Dalchini is very good. Or you can add whatever you like, So this is something which you start your day and end your day with. And it's any day better than anything which you could think of including in your system, because there's so many advantages of this. So start your day on this note, and also use this for sure. Oils, lavender oil and diffuser oils and stuff, because they have all these calming and relaxing effects. They really, really work. And I'm here to remind you that better than smelling the polluted air is to smell incense oils and stuff, because the moment you come from outside, anywhere, office, home, to your studio, to your gym, you have the fragrance of this happening. It's going to really open up your pores and stuff. So some people like me are reporting in that they can't smell anything and stuff. I mean, of course, I'm on medication, so for me it's a different thing, but a lot of people are reporting different things which can get a little serious. So be a little cautious, and more than doing your own self-diagnosis and stuff, always a good idea to give a call to a doctor, a drop of a hat, because if you have a history of anything else, it's always a good idea to speak to a doctor. Also, try and include some nice flowers in your kitchen, because it's the first place where you wake up and go into in the morning. What I do is normally I place green plants and green bottles, and that really helps, because I'm so used to seeing nature in the morning, and I believe that nature is a great relaxant and a natural therapy thing for me. So I've got these green bottles placed. Okay, so I'm not showing you my entire space here, but I've got these amazing bottles. I go for a walk, I pick up a bottle here and there, so unfortunately people throw their bottles here and there, so I pick them up and I get them back, and I kind of also support the cause of keeping your environment clean and stuff. So in the nooks and corners of my spaces at home and office, on my tables and everywhere, you'll find bottles. Even at the entrance, I've done this, I stopped buying very expensive pots and stuff, and I've started using bottles, because I feel that it's better than using plastic and stuff and all. Okay, so have fun and have a blast. Think about ideas about your kitchen and everything. What all can you do? A common concern for people, which I find is that When they wake up in the morning, the better halves are normally pretty concerned about the mess, the sink. So think what you could do on the sink, right? And talking about the mess on the sink. So sink, the sink, the mess on the sink, the utensils and everything. Think about 2 3 ideas what you could do about those. If you don't have a cleaner coming in, now it's winters and stuff, you're going to have all those issues and challenges before you. So what is it that you can do around a design or around managing that particular sink of yours or that particular space of yours? What is it that you can do to manage that space so that, couples, or even if you're living alone, you're a student, you're an actor, you're a celebrity, you're a radio jockey, you're an artist, you're an entrepreneur, you're a homemaker, you're a child, you're a founder, you're a bureaucrat, you're a leader, whatever you are, you don't feel uncomfortable the moment you walk into your kitchen. So think about these ideas and try and include nature for sure. One tip is, try and have bigger leaves and what do they call those sculptural plants, because they really help you. You can see them from a distance, and they're easy to maintain and stuff. So a house where you walk in, at least during this time of the season, must have lots and lots of green plants and stuff. So rather than spending your money here and there on some stuff on Amazon and indulging in over shopping and stuff, a good idea or a good investment would be to have those structural plants and stuff. They're called these big plants. The big plants like the palms and the banyans and the big money plants, and there's so many of them. So research them and try and place leafy plants everywhere. And yeah, some of them may be difficult to maintain and stuff, but there's so many of them which, if you look after them in the house, will definitely work good for you. Yeah, so focus on enjoying the day, focus on stuff around you, and enjoy. Take care, love and luck, and have a great day ahead. Cheers on a lovely cup of chai. Bye bye.